How to set up default styles in Mailchimp. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can set up the default or the style that you want to implement into an email element or any type of text that you are going to add into the email here that you are going to create for campaigns. This will only affect the current email that you are going to use. So basically, if you are going to choose a font and the type of font, for example, or the size of the font that you are going to insert, it is going to be for all set up as default for all the elements that you are going to add contain a font. So we are going to head over Mailchimp.com, sign in for an account or sign in to our account. Then we are going to click on create email. From here, what are we going to do is to create any email from scratch, a basic layout or whatever. So also you can go ahead and implement the designs. I'm going to select this. And now what are we going to do? Since we are on the email, as you can see here, so we are going to click on styles. And then we're going to see desktop and the mobile. This option is going to be set for also the desktop and the mobile. So you can click on set default email styles by clicking on here. And then we are going to read the support. Or you can go ahead and implement our method that we are going to give you. So here, as you can see, we have choices that we can implement on the styles. We have the email, the text, the links, the buttons, and the dividers. Each one of them has its specific case. For example, for the email, we have the background color and the body color. You can add or insert a background color or a background image, and etc. What I am going to do here is to let you see an example. And this example is going to be well used, which is going to be text. I'm going to click on text. Here we have, as you can see, paragraph, H1 as head 1 or header 1, H2, H3, and H4. These are going to be the type of headers or head that we are going to add. Now, what I am going to do is to select the paragraph font and also the size. Also, we can see that we have the spacing or the alignment of that. We can choose either we are going to put it as metallic or bold and italic. So you can go ahead and use one of these. So what I'm going to do is to select paragraph. We are going to choose, for example, something that we can distinguish. I'm going to use the Anton. So I'm going to click on done. Then we are going to make the paragraph bold. The alignment is going to be to the left or the right or on the center. For the headers, we are going to put them not bold, but for the heading or the font, we are going to not use Anton, but Comic Sans. I'm going to be back here. Let's go ahead and add an element. So if you are going to add a heading, you're going to see the type of heading. So as you can see, the heading is going to be the font of Comic Sans. And if we are going to install or insert a paragraph, we are going to see that it is on the Anton. Bold, and we are going to see on the middle. That was all for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you soon on the next one.